Hi, my name is Phillip Ranalli. I do warranty and sales at Full Factory, and I ride the Sunday Motoross frame, 21-inch top tube. I ride the Odyssey R32 forks. I don't cut my steer tube or anything like that. I run the Odyssey CFL 2 stem with the Odyssey high weight bars. The 9.5 rise lets me ride a front load stem, and some Matt Behringer 6-shooter bar tabs. Running a Fairdale headset with a pedal cap that says every pedal makes you more attractive. I ride the Sunday Cornerstone grips with a piece of another grip as a donut so I don't have to run flanges. I run the Odyssey trigger lever because you got two positions. You can ride it like this, or the outside's already pre-bent if you need some leverage. I ride the Odyssey Quik Slic cable, which is really convenient. If you're ever throwing your bike on a bike rack or anything, you can just take off your straddle cable super easy. Ride the Odyssey EVO 2.5 brake calipers with the clear Slim x 4 Odyssey brake pads. I ride the Odyssey Tom Dugan seat with Odyssey tripod seat post with an Odyssey seat clamp. I put 2 spacers and a stem bolt to give myself pitch and let it slam so I can still do turn downs, and the seat's out of my way for everything else. I ride the Odyssey 175 Thunderbolt cranks. I ride 175 to help with tables, got some space underneath, and it helps me pedal this 30-tooth Odyssey FANG Sprocket. I've always liked the bigger gearings because I mostly ride park, with a 9-tooth Antigram V2 hub in the rear. They're laced to Gsport Birdcage rims. They're the lightest rim we make, so it's nice and feels fast, responsive, and they've got the angled valve stem holes, so it's easy to air up your tires. Ride the Odyssey Aitken tires, the 2.35 in the front, the knobby, and then the 2.25 in the rear. I just like to keep them a little bit smaller. They don't feel as sluggish and maneuver a little bit better in my opinion. I run the knobby tire in the front, honestly, because when you're carving around a bowl, it sounds super awesome. It roars. I run the knobby tire because sometimes it helps me with a trick I do called the Bunsen burner, which is like a nose manual with your foot on the tire. Just gives extra grip and allows me to angle myself over the front end a little bit better. Front wheel is laced to an Odyssey Vandero Pro hub, also laced to a Gsport Birdcage. I ride the Odyssey JPEG longer pegs. They're 4.5 inches long. I prefer steel pegs. Just mostly for peg chinks to hear them slap. I ride the Odyssey Twisted Pro pedals, but I transition through grandstands and metal grandstands and trail mix pedals all the time. I run the polished dust cover as well as the polished preload bolt, just a little accents. I run the Odyssey hollow keychain. Super awesome chain, oversized pins, oversized plates, super strong, pedals really smooth. I've been on and off with brakes for a while. I had the Springfield brakes because you just pop them on and they're super easy, but I decided I was going to keep them on for a while. So I transitioned to the EVO 2.5s. It's just, you have them if you need them, and if you don't need them, you just don't use them. I personally inside lace my right side of my wheels. It's kind of a pain when you break a spoke, but I've got nothing but like spoke heads. So this is the bike I ride. Luckily, I work at an awesome company that fabricates a lot of awesome parts.